Amazon's pretty clear on this. Amazon will only remove a 1-star review in the following situations. If the 1-star review has got bad language on it, they'll remove it. If the 1-star review reveals specific information about you personally, they will remove it. I think that's really it to get it removed. They will sometimes, what they call, do a strike through of the review if the review talks specifically about something that Amazon was responsible for, so fulfillment or customer service, something that Amazon does for us, then they will strike the review through, which is kind of cool. Or if it's something to do with the shipping, how the shipping happened that they're also in control of, they'll do that. So that's kind of cool. And if you don't know how to get that done, let me just see, let's just go into here. Hopefully yeah. All right, so to get that done, so here's your feedback manager, and you can go in here, look where it says actions on the bottom left, right hand side. You can post a public reply, or you can request the removal. So you do it from there. I have often found that posting a public reply is a really, really smart thing to do. I mean, you want to go in there and you should be incredibly apologetic, and you should be seen to be doing everything you can to make that situation right, from sending them a product for free to letting them return or even just keep the product that they didn't like. For me, what I do is I let them keep their shitty product and I send them a good product, given of course that that's actually a viable option. If they didn't like the taste of a product, for instance, there's no point sending them more. I just refund it for them, okay? So, but you want to make that a public process so other people can see, yes, there were problems, but look how that problem got handled, and that gives me confidence to order from these people, because everybody knows that there are problems. I mean, we're not stupid. Everyone knows there are problems, but it's how you deal with those problems as a seller that will kind of make or break your business as far as getting reviews goes. So I always overcompensate, do too much rather than the opposite, because I think that's the better way of doing it. Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really, really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales I've used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue, who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on, a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.